All right, for level 3. Run this program to see how it works. We've seen similar, if it's not the same. Here's something new, the on event block. How do commands inside an on event run differently from commands outside of an on event? And then add one command inside the on event and one command outside of it. All right. So let's run this and see what it does. Does it do anything until I click the button? Starting my program, ending my program. It doesn't do anything until I click the button. The interesting thing is that these things outside of the function, the on event function, they run without us clicking the button. Until we click the button, this on event function does not work. So they want us to run a command inside the on event and one command outside of it. So here's what I'm going to do. Outside of it, right above here, I'm going to go ahead and set property of the big button. In fact, I'm going to kind of cheat. I'll just copy this code. Command C, Command V, and I'm going to change it from blue to purple. Okay. When I do that, when I hit reset, and I hit run, it's going to change that button. It's going to read the on event and say, oh, I'm going to wait for this stuff to run. But look, we've just now changed that to purple. When I click on this now, it's going to change back to blue. And it's going to do all the stuff that's inside of that function. Okay, so I'm going to have it maybe, what should I do with this? Change some other property. So set property. And big button, right? So I need to put that in quotes. That's the name of the ID. Let's see here. Do I want to change the text? Do I want to change the height? What do I want to change? Maybe the font family. That might be interesting. We haven't played around with font families or font size even. Let's just go ahead and do font family. And then I'll change it to what are some fonts that are available to us? We could use Comic Sans. Oh, no. How about we do something? Let's see here. Courier. I'll use Courier or Palantino. I like Palantino. It's pretty. Make sure that we have a semicolon there. And now reset. Run. Right? Our big button should now turn purple. Right? We hit that line, it turns purple. When I click the button, and there you have it. So that's it. Hit finish, and you're done.